Hey guys, today I'll be riding the dirt bike.
It is Oliver.
This is Oliver's not on the screen right now. This is my dirt bike. I'm coming.
We will be riding on this.
I don't want to. Guys, I'm driving. This is fast. I'm gonna go full speed. Gonna do it for the guys. I'm going fast. This one's for you too. Oh shoot, the camera's going fast. I'm zooming, beating Oliver in this race. 1 point for Bill on halfway mark. About to reach the stop sign. Then, I don't want to drop this. My dirt bike. Going fast. Going razor. Oliver's back there. Bumps. Going to hit the grass. Guys, that was nice. I just was like sick, so smash that like button if you want to see Oliver back here. That was fast. I don't know how I did that, but nice. Oliver, thanks for letting me do that. Bumpy parts just right there, but I'm fine from that. Didn't hit me. I had it on my hand, so thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Hope we reach 1